Hello, everyone, especially kids and parents, and of course, hello, teachers. This short video is going to show you how can you join a lesson that is in a post in a browser by using Jitsi as your audio and video conference tool. Okay, so first click on X for this button because you don't need it. To join the meeting, you can just write your name, aka nickname. I'm going to write Alice. Why are you doing this? Because you don't want to share personal information of a child, and also a child does not need to enter any kind of emails or full names. Now, just click on Join Meetings, and when you join a meeting, you will have the following things. You can activate your microphone, okay? If it says fail to access your microphone, okay, make sure to click here and see, are you allowing the microphone? So this little padlock, okay, and just click on allow. When you click on allow, click on next, and the page is going to reload. So make sure that you allowed the website to use, allowed the browser to use your microphone. Now here you can see we have camera allowed, microphone allowed, notifications allowed. Okay, click on next. And now let's join the meeting again. Now we can activate the microphone, see, la 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 la. You can see the microphone here, la la la, it's talking. If you want to activate your camera, again, just click here and activate the camera. I'm going to turn it off. Now, the thing that you have here, which is great, is this button. So you can send a message, hello, and of course, you can do and put a little emoji. The last thing for students is this. Raise your hand. So if you want to ask something, just raise your hand. Okay. Since this is happening in the browser, you need to just put a full screen. So just click here on dot, 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 and put a full screen. This way your child is going to be able to see the presentation in full screen. If you don't click it, it's not going to be in full screen. So again, you don't have to install anything. You only need to allow the browser to use your microphone and camera if you want. Thank you for watching this video and see you in another live online lesson. Bye!